Hello everyone, welcome to Mansarovar Law Center. Today we'll be discussing the answer key that is released by CLAT, and I'll be discussing the maths and reasoning section also, how you were supposed to solve. So see, answer key has been released and there are certain discrepancies. Some questions are there which we think are not correct, and in fact we are sure कि जो answer key में आए हैं answers in the CLAT answer key, they are not correct. So let me take you there only. This is the answer key that was released by CLAT. But इसमें जो आप red color से mark देख सकते हैं questions, these are the answers which are different from what CLAT has given. So for that you will need the set also. So this is the paper. Alright, I'll upload the paper and the video, paper and the answer key at the end of the video so that you can refer. And I can find question number 9. So there are कितने questions अलग हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 questions are there which are definitely wrong in the CLAT official answer key. So we'll be sending representation also for the same. And for your satisfaction, I'll be explaining which questions are wrong. And obviously वो maths and reasoning के हैं, तो correct क्या होगा वो भी मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. Alright. So if we begin, this is your English section. If we begin, so the first question that I think is wrong is question number 9. अगर हम question number 9 देखिए, तो question number का 9 का आंसर है A. This is the correct answer. But CLAT की official answer key में दे रखा है all of the above, which is incorrect. Okay. Then if we move ahead, then आपका question number 14. का answer that is given by CLAT is this sellers of stolen hardware, but it is wrong. The correct answer is C. Auctioneers of cheap bags. Okay. So English के section में ये दो ही questions आपके गलत हैं. Then question number 28. Question number 28. Which statement reflects as a critic from Western economist? So CLAT ने इसका आंसर दिया है C, but it is incorrect. इसका आंसर होगा all of the above. Then after that 28 के बाद 62. Question number 62. According to CLAT, 62 का correct answer is this. It states duty to maintain an ecological balance and citizens' right against climate change, but it is not correct. Correct answer should be C. Both the state and citizens have the duty to preserve and protect natural resources. Okay, 62 का correct answer है C. And after this 67. Question number 67. Question number 67 का CLAT ने आंसर दे रखा है B, avoidable agreement, but it is incorrect. The correct answer is C, avoid agreement. Okay, not voidable. The correct answer is C. These were from the sections that are not my expertise. Mine is maths and reasoning. So maths and reasoning में जो गलतियाँ हैं, let us see that. Maths में तो ऐसा कोई गलती नहीं है, reasoning में ही गलती है. There was a very big question, round table का question, जिसका आंसर्स 4 आंसर्स गलत हैं. So straight away We can move to the round table question number 97. Okay. So after 2-3 years, CLAT has given logical reasoning questions in analytical reasoning. Reasoning में usually they just ask passage based, but इस साल they asked a question from logical reasoning. And अगर आप थोड़ा सा भी seriously पढ़ के गए थे तो I'm sure you could solve this. But solve करके आपने realize कर रहा होगा कि इसके सारे options गलत हैं. जो diagram बना है and जो answer होना चाहिए, there is a lot of difference in that. So 97 कि all the options are incorrect. And the correct answer, I'll tell you. So all the options are incorrect. What is Rakesh's position with respect to Rohan? इसका correct answer होना चाहिए था third to the left. This should have been the correct answer, but it is nowhere in the option. So the entire question is incorrect. So none of the options are correct. 98 का आपका answer है none of these. And वैसे इसका correct answer होना चाहिए था रोहित. So none of these correct, but just for you I'm telling you the answer should be Rohit. Question number 99. All options are incorrect. कोई भी option correct नहीं है. इसका correct answer था Ram. Ram is not there in the options. This is also correct. This is also incorrect. 100 के all the options are incorrect. 100 में correct answer होना चाहिए था Sohan. 100 में correct answer होना था Sohan. 101 is correct. Sohan है इसका आंसर. एंड 102 में भी सारे ऑप्शंस इनकरेक्ट हैं. 102 में करेक्ट आंसर होना चाहिए था सुरेश. सो इफ़ यू ट्राई दिस क्वेश्चन इन द एग्जाम यू माइट हैव सीन कि ऑप्शंस गलत है. एंड ऐसे में क्या होता है दैट वी फील कि कहीं मैंने तो नहीं डायग्राम गलत बनाया, कहीं मेरे एंड से कोई गलती हो गई हो, बट दैट इज़ नॉट देयर. 4 क्वेश्चंस, 4 ऑफ द आंसर्स आर इनकरेक्ट. 97, 99, 100 एंड 102. इसका आपका आंसर होगा दैट नन ऑफ द ऑप्शंस इज करेक्ट. सो द एंटायर क्वेश्चन नीड्स टू गेट स्क्रैप्ड. ओके, एंड दिस इज समथिंग वी हैव रिटन इन आवर आंसर की ऑल्सो. तो स्टूडेंट्स आप लोग प्लीज एक चीज़ देखो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, 14, 28, 62, 67, 97, 99, 100 एंड 102 इन सब के आंसर्स इनकरेक्ट हैं. जो करेक्ट आंसर्स हैं दे आर ऑलरेडी मार्क्ड इन द आंसर की. तो आप इसको रेफर करो. वी आर सेंडिंग द रिप्रेजेंटेशन फ्रॉम आवर एंड ऑल्सो एंड वील सी टू इट दैट दीज क्वेश्चंस either the answers are checked, answers are changed, and these questions are scrapped. All right. This is something I had to tell you, and that is it. All right.